अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा चैप्टर है जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स। और जो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है वो है लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन। यस ये लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस छ these laws was given by Lobster and Joseph L. Prost. गोडनिच लॉ अगर अस वुचो गोडनिच लॉ छ लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास। गोडनेथ वुचो अस लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास क्या गई दपा युस हसा मास छ डेफिनेशन अगर अस वुचो मास कैन नीदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर डिस्ट्रॉयड इन अ केमिकल रिएक्शन। युस मास आसान छ सु छ न गसा क्रिएट न छ गसा डिस्ट्रॉय कुन ति केमिकल रिएक्शन अगर कह ति केमिकल रिएक्शन गस तथ मन न मास गसा क्रिएट न छ गसा डिस्ट्रॉय। फॉर एग्जांपल से समझाव इत पे अगर इस यम जे नमो कह एलिमेंट यम जे नमो या मॉलिक्यूल नमो फॉर एग्जांपल से A plus B it forms C plus D। युस A plus B छ यम छ आसा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यानी उमन वनो अस तेल उमा से कहते रिएक्टेंट्स। युस C plus D एट बना छ हम छ आसा राइट हैंड साइड उमन छ वना अस प्रोडक्ट्स। when reactants combine in a chemical equation or chemical reaction products are formed। law of conservation of mass is wana ये reactants युस आसा छ बना products। law of conservation of mass is wana यम युस हसे mass of reactants छ आसा reactants छ A plus B सह छ बराबर आसान mass of products यानी mass of reactants is equal to mass of products। यूता mass reactant हुंद आस सु छ आसा बराबर mass of products। सो तिल वनो अस mass न छ गसा create न छ गसा ज्यादा न छ गसा कम न छ गसा destroy कुन ति chemical reaction मंज। यानी LHS युस आसान छ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सु छ आसा बराबर RHS राइट हैंड साइड। ये गई लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास बे वन बाइक फिर रिपीट कर ब in a law of conservation of mass can neither be created nor destroyed। दोयम लॉ यूज छ दोयम लॉ छ law of constant proportion। law of constant proportion means in a law of constant proportion in a chemical substance अगर इस कह chemical substance नमो the elements are always present in definite proportions। यम element तथ मज आसान छ तुम छ आसा present in definite proportion। definite proportion means go in fixed proportion। definite means go fixed proportion by mass यानी युस mass छ आसान elementon हुन कुन ति chemical substances मज सु छ आसा present in definite proportions। बे वन ब युस mass of elementon हुन आसान छ कुन ति chemical substance मज सु छ आसा present in definite proportions। example वन ब example सती तय समझ in water अगर इस water नमून water से formula H2O water this water compound in water the ratio of mass of hydrogen water मज युस ratio छ आसा mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen hydrogen to oxygen is always 1:8। यमुक ratio छ आसा 1:8 1:8 यानी hydrogen mass छ आसा oxygen मज 1:8 respectively यानी गोड goes hydrogen but goes oxygen that's called respectively। ये go law of constant proportion यानी in a chemical substance इस फिर थोड़ी याद in a chemical substance the elements कुन chemical substance मज यम elements आसान छ और always present in definite proportions elements आसा present in definite proportion मज यानी fixed proportion मज by mass। example वन में तो इन पद ब्याख सब टॉपिक यथ वन केमिकल फार्मूला यानी युस इस कंपाउंड नमोन कह कंपाउंड नमोन तथ पन्न केमिकल फार्मूला आसान। से फॉर एग्जांपल इत पे वन अगर इस केमिकल कंपाउंड अख नमोन फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लूकोज तथ पन्न फार्मूला C6H12O6 दिस इज ग्लूकोज This is gulso. अगर ब्या chemical compound nemo sodium hydroxide अत पनी formula NaOH असन इस पर लिखा कि sodium hydroxide sodium symbol लिखा oxygen symbol लिखा hydrogen symbol लिखा hydroxide symbol लिखा इसलिए sodium hydroxide that is NaOH इसे उस chemical formula लिखने खतर के rules यम जैसे था यार number 1 rule the valencies or charges on the ion must balances. Yim valencies valencies pethmis topics mans valency kya go yim valencies or charges charge on the ion must balance the basa balance rule number 1. Second is metal and non-metal compound use metal compound as non-metal compound as metal metal pata metal kya non-metal pata for example metal iron is a metal sodium is a metal non-metal oxygen is non-metal hydrogen non-metal nitrogen non-metal metal and non-metal use metal या non-metal compound आसान should show the name or symbol of the metal first should show the name or symbol सह show करा god नाम or तमिक name or symbol of the metal first symbol of the metal first god करा show symbol of the metal first metal. The rule number 3 is if compound consists of polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions क्या गई monoatomic ions क्या गई triatomic ions क्या गई poly यानी यह में वारिया atoms आसन present that's called polyatomic ions. If compound अगर कहाँ compound आस consists of सा आस बनियामत polyatomic ion polyatomic ion यानी तथ मज आसन वारिया ions वारिया atoms आसन तथ मज present. The ion is enclosed in a bracket. Use ion such as enclose brackets before writing the number to indicate the ratio. Before writing such as brackets such as brackets enclose the number to indicate the ratio. Indicate ratio kya example one babban kai samajh chemical formula of some simple compound do the compound like was mj so ins chemical formula kit pe karo isi draw ins chemical formula kit pe karo isi draw to godnyuk compound che ase calcium hydroxide I guess calcium calcium symbol Ca calcium symbol Ca the valency agar ise image valency image +2 तो at kit put bani formula yani at kya formula ban symbol calcium Ca तो hydroxide agar ise hydroxide symbol OH hydroxide symbol OH yani atmach oxygen and second is hydrogen the image valency agar ise that's -1 so calcium is symbol Ca hydroxide symbol OH valency calcium +2 valency hydroxide -1 valency hydroxide -1 so formula by image Ca whole OH O2 that means use oxygen and H oxygen the H you see is bracket and must have is bracket must have because is whole 2 so oxygen is the H so formula image bana CaOH whole 2 this is calcium hydroxide second is aluminum hydroxide aluminum oxide the symbol against aluminum that is Al the oxide symbol against that is O yani oxygen the valency against aluminum that's +2 the agar is oxide valency that's -2 that is -2 so formula symbol pata that's Al agar is image valency that's -2 so goes Al2 the oxygen use oxide and that's oxygen's valency +3 so go AlO3 and this is aluminum oxide so the uses topic as you goes you can sum up تہٕ أسۍ چھِ پران ٲسۍ laws of chemical combination. Laws of chemical combinations are given by Lavoisier. یُس یاد تھاوُن Lavoisier and Joseph L. Prost. تہٕ یِم چھِ زٕ law. Number 1 law of conservation of mass, second is law of constant proportion. Law of conservation of mass یُس چھُ یہِ چھُ وَنان mass can neither be created nor destroyed. نہ چھُ mass گژھان create نہ چھُ گژھان destroyed in a chemical reaction. And that means mass of reactants are always equal to mass of products. Second law is law of constant proportion. Constant proportion. In a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion. Kunti chemical substance man im elements asan chu, tum chu always asa present in definite proportion, yani in fixed proportion mans by mass. So example we may waterage is ratio of mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen always 1:8 respectively. The chemical formula rule number 1 the valencies or charges on the ion must balance. Number 2 metal and non-metal compound should show the name or symbol of the metal first. Number 3 if compound consists of polyatomic ions, the ion is included in a bracket before writing the number of indicate the ratio. The chemical formula is dun compound chemical calcium hydroxide symbol calcium is Ca, hydroxide OH, so this is COH whole 2. Second is aluminum oxide, aluminum symbol An, Al oxide is O. So use formula AlO2. This was all about today's topic.